Okay, here we are, day 2, 828 Gems Beach Resort, and the girls want to go down to the water, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold the camera and just kind of follow them. I did my swimming yesterday. I might go out later. Oh, nice, the tide is in. Okay, jump in, go.
Yeah.
So the water looks lovely. It was really warm yesterday. It was damn near hot. I got in here, I was like, oh my goodness. But yeah, perfect. This is absolutely perfect. So yeah, once again, day 2, 828 Gems Beach Resort here at Tondol on the island, Pangasinan, Philippines. We're at the end of August here, so this is kind of what it looks like this time of year. Last time we were here was January. So first time we came was March, beginning of March 2019. Second time was January, just this past January 2021, and now here we are again in August 2021. So just as beautiful as ever. We like coming up here for usually around 3, maybe 4 nights, and just kind of hang out, relax, take it easy. So yeah, gonna give you a quick peek here. These rooms over here apparently are like the non-air conditioned. They're like the cheapest ones they have. I've never seen the inside of them, so I couldn't tell you what they're like. But people use them. I've seen them people use these quite a bit actually. So more primitive, I guess you could say. Which would actually be pretty cool for the people that like to kind of stay up late. Maybe do a little party and whatever. Because you got this like little lanai patio area right out here. You're kind of off in the corner, away from everyone else. So this would probably be a good location for that. And then of course the old section is being worked on right now. That's over there. It's kind of where we usually stay, but not this time. We're in the newer section. But they're doing some work on the front doors going into the rooms. Those doors are kind of real heavy duty, almost like a vault door, really super heavy, and the locks were really tricky to operate. So hopefully I'll be fixing those, getting those kind of updated. Yep, new section over there. And a lot of times they'll have a volleyball net up. I don't have it up right now, obviously, but they'll set up a net like right through here where you can play volleyball and badminton, whatever. So, and you still got the kubos over here. We used those last time we were here. Yep. Not much has changed. They're still pretty much the same. Kick back in the hammocks. Yeah, nice place to come and relax. Shit, you could probably even have family functions up here, group functions, weddings, what have you, baptisms. Do darn near everything up here. Just call and let them know, and they'll arrange it. They'll hook you up. Prices aren't too bad. I don't really want to disclose the prices because those, I mean, a lot of times they kind of fluctuate depending on the time of year, how many people they have here, basically how business is going. So, but it's doable. It's affordable compared to all the other places in the area. So there you have it, day 2 on Tondol Beach, 828 Gems Beach Resort. Alright guys, I won't bore you anymore. Let's see where we at here. Alright, gotta figure out where the shut off button is. Yeah, won't bore you anymore, but just wanted to kind of show you what's going on up here, August of 2021. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you later, and we'll do another one here real soon. Alright, bye-bye.